finally I get to do a flushing demonstration on this. I'm going to have a little flushing demonstration, and I said it again, kind of weird like that. It's all original. I didn't get a chance to clean up this toilet at all, so this is the dirtiest it is naturally. I wish I could show you underneath the bowl, which I will if I get the chance to. And hold on there. This is how it looks without water in it. For now, it's not clean. The flap looks a little weird on this one. When they put the flap on before they painted it. Yes, I did it in the same location as other ones. Hold on. Sorry about this. Oopsie. In the tank, I'd never used any cleaning products except for soap, but now that I have some better cleaning stuff, and if I find time to, I guess I could try to clean out some of that other brown stuff. The sticker on this float ball is worn out. Sorry about that. Basically, luckily, I have another one. Why isn't that clearing up? American Standard. This one doesn't have the screw up here. But newer floaters, like this other one, has a screw there, so that way you can control the basic height. But then I thought the turning knob does all of that, but I guess it's just for extra angle control, so you adjust it from this screw and this cork one here. But on this one, the sticker's not worn out, and this is what it said for anybody who's never seen this sticker. I think it's in French and English. Turn float rod adjustment nut by hand. Do not use wrench or pliers. Of course not, you'd break the plastic. Yep. And once again, April 1st, 1974. 5 times 3, 74. Tank number. American Standard, made in Canada. Waterline. Okay. So, there you go. I'm going to fill her up. Like that. Pull it up a lot of cooler way. It's definitely lavender with that pinkish purple look. Okay. Well, the tank looks of water in it. A nice purple American Standard 70s toilet. Before I even flush it, sorry, I'm picking up the tank lid and closing it again. I want to have it on. Here we go. There we go. That one didn't flush. Give me a sec. Okay, this time put the chain on better, so hopefully this will flush. Sorry about this. Second round. No, I thought that was really a first, but you know what I'm saying. Definitely need some cleaning. This is how clean and nice it looks, where the water comes down in. Alright, looks nice on that side. Probably not so pretty on that side. How the mold is put together. And let me just quickly flip this around. Hold on. Actually, I don't need to. Actually, I just will. So now, for this purple one, tank said April 1st. This is April 2nd, 1964. But this is how underneath looks. It's in mint condition, like I said a long time ago. It's really nice. Wow, look at that. Even the exit hole is super clean. It's like all nice. And the things won't get caught at the back. I looked underneath the crane one and it looks like things can get stuck at the back. With this one, it's very well done, I think, put together. Yeah, but this is the purple one for you. Yeah, and that's it.